Hey, it's your Geli Mamma here, and today I'm working with the fabulous Kiki London to show you how I did this easy nail art for beginners, Dotticure. For those that don't know what a Dotticure is, it's real simple. It's a mani made up of dots. So after you've applied your gorgeous pink polish as the base, you're going to take this neon blue and you're going to take your largest dotting tool and place dots going vertically down the nail until that line is complete. Then you're going to take the next sort of smaller dotting size down, and you're going to go in between the dots that you have previously done, remembering to go down in size until complete. So I think this is simple and stunning. So moving on to the next nail, so I've applied a layer of this neon yellow polish. Then I'm going to be starting off by taking a neon purple, and you're going to start by placing a dot in the middle, and then you are going out vertically. You're basically trying to create an X on the nail with the purple polish. Then you're going to take a blue polish and kind of start to do like a little pyramid shape in between the purple ones that you've already done. Again, trying to keep it a similar size. So I was going to leave it like this, but then decided afterwards that I was going to add just one green dot in between what I'd already done, and that's that nail complete. So then with this one, I'm going to be doing the interlocking nail, which is my favourite. So you want to add a layer of pink, just using the brush that comes in the bottle. If you haven't got a steady hand, you can cure that before you go on and add the yellow next to it. So after you've cured that in the lamp, now I did try to go straight away and add the yellow directly onto the pink, but as you can see, it was like a bit of an orangey colour and it just didn't work. So you got to put an extra step in, and that is to basically add the dots with the white polish first. But seriously, it's worth all the steps because it's such a cool look and easier than you think to create. So now I'm coming in with the yellow, and you can see that obviously that works so much better and was worth adding that white base first. Then I've done the same, and then as simple as that, you've got an interlocking look, and I just think that is so cool. So for the pinky nail, I've applied a neon green. So again, I've done the same thing by applying the white dot first, and then I'm just adding different neon colours with each line. So again, simples. And once you have completed your mani, you want to go ahead and apply your top coat. So I'm starting off with a glossy top coat first, and going to apply that to all of the nails and cure in the lamp. Then I decided that I wanted to have a matte finish, so I went ahead and applied a matte coat off camera, and this is how it all looks together. So tell me, which one is your individual favourite? Would you wear this yourself? Would you just take one of what I've done and place that on all of your nails? Please tell me in the comments box below. So I really hope you like this video. Adding dots is probably the first step that people try with nail art, but you can still have really cool funky nails, and I think obviously if you use neon colours, it's going to be perfect for summer, but you can alternate it to whatever season it is. So thank you so much for watching. Please press that free subscribe button and leave a comment in the comments box below. Until next time, take care. Bye.